University. I'm in second year from CSE.
Okay. So Himanshi, what do you plan to do in your future?
After fourth year, I'm thinking of getting recruited in some good company, and after 2 years, I'll be pursuing for IAS preparation.
Sir?
I'm Abhishek Chakravarti. I am currently pursuing BTech in VIT University. I'm doing my BTech in EEE Electrical and Electronics Engineering. That's about it.
So what exactly do you plan to do after you're done with your BTech course?
Pretty much higher studies, like going for MS.
So you basically would be giving GRE examination.
Yeah.
Okay, so what exactly do you have in your mind in terms of preparation for the GRE examination?
As of right now, I have already started my preparation, and as of right now, I am self-studying with prescribed books and stuff. And on my third year, I will be taking courses, online courses and offline coaching centers, the ones they provide. My name is Arjun, and I'm a second year BTech student studying ECE, Electronics and Communications.
Okay, so Arjun, what exactly do you plan after BTech degree?
Well, I'm aiming to do GRE exam, so I have started my preparation.
Okay, so what exactly are you doing along the lines of preparing for GRE examination?
Well, mostly I've taken some books from my seniors and go to the library and get some more books. And some online courses which I plan to do in the future might help me.
My name is Ayush Jain and I am from Bangalore.
Okay, so Ayush, what are you currently pursuing in VIT?
I am currently doing my bachelor's in mechanical and specializing in automotive engineering.
Okay, Ayush, so what are your plans after doing your BTech?
I'm planning to do masters in the field of automotive engineering mostly or motorsports engineering. Yeah.
Oh, that's super cool. So what are the steps that you would be undertaking in order to prepare for the master's program or the GRE?
I'm trying to give my GRE. I am preparing for it. I have a book by Kalyan Publications and they help you prepare. They have mock tests. There are mock tests online as well which you can take, and that will help a lot. And gradually your score increases and you gain confidence, and then you can go to an online website, register yourself, take a test.
I'm Khushbu Daria. I'm from Ahmedabad and I'm studying in VIT as of now.
Okay, which branch are you studying in?
I'm studying in electronics and instrumentation, and I'm also pursuing my minors in economics as well.
Okay, that's super cool. So what are your future plans after completing your BTech degree?
As of now, I'm thinking of sitting for placements, and I want to do a job in the core field. And after that, when I'm done with say about 2 years of experience, I'd like to go for an MBA in future.
Okay, so what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake for giving the entrance examinations for your MBA or PG degree?
I'm thinking I'm a regular kind of a person, so correspondence would be a nice way to go, and I'll probably be ordering books and studying from them regularly, say for example 2 hours a day or something.
I am Aditya Agrawal. I am doing computer science in VIT University.
Okay, Aditya, which branch are you studying in?
I am in computer science.
Okay, so Aditya, what are your plans after completing your BTech?
Basically, after completing my BTech, I am planning to do my MS in US.
Okay, so what mode of preparation are you planning to undertake for preparing?
I have bought a lot of textbooks, so basically offline mode only I'll be going for.
Hi guys, I am Nopur and I'm the organizer for Rivera Registration and Reception Company.
Okay, Nupur, which branch are you studying in?
I'm in electronics and instrumentation.
Okay, Nupur, what are your plans after Rivera and completing your BTech degree from VIT University?
Actually, after Rivera, I'm really depressed that I'll have no work at all. But after BTech, I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do. I got placed in Schneider. So, as of now, I'm going to go for a job.
My name is Sarthak Singhai and I'm doing mechanical engineering third year.
Okay, fine, Sarthak. Sarthak, what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT?
I'm planning of doing GMAT. So I'm preparing by myself only. I've bought online books.
Okay.
So we'll be doing that only.
Hey guys, my name is Akshay Chaudhary. I'm studying in VIT University and pursuing BTech in mechanical engineering.
Okay, Akshay, could you please tell us what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT?
Yeah, after completing my BTech, I'll be going for MBA.
For MBA.
Yeah.
Okay, what are your plans for appearing for the examinations that you plan to?
Yeah, I've been taking coaching from Time Institute, and it's just nearby VIT, so I'll be preparing through Time, text, materials, and their course plan.
My name is Praful Vijay and I'm pursuing civil engineering from VIT University.
Okay, Praful, what are your plans after getting done with the BTech degree from VIT?
After my BTech degree, I'll be giving my GRE soon, and right now I'm doing self-preparation, and my plans are like pursuing Masters in Civil Engineering from US.
So what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake for preparing for GRE?
Right now, I'm thinking to take study from my library books which have GRE course material, and there's some kind of coaching I'm thinking to join, and so I'm looking forward to have a great coaching in
I'm Kushagra Anand. I'm in second year mechanical engineering from VIT University.
Okay, Kushagra, what are your plans after getting done with your mechanical engineering from VIT?
Okay, I might give GRE so that I can pursue some further education, possibly from a foreign institute, or I may even do a course in photography that might be helpful to me for my future life.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Kushagra, in case you are appearing your GRE, so what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake?
I'll do a proper course that's like go through a lot of books, study properly, so that you can appear good. You can get good marks, you can have a good score, and you can get it done.
I'm Arpit Samdani. I'm doing my BTech in computer science. I'm in third year right now.
Okay, Arpit, what are your future plans? As in, what exactly do you plan to do after BTech?
Well, Ruchi, I'm planning to go outside for GRE. I'm preparing for GRE. I want to do MS somewhere in US, so I'll be going for GRE.
Okay, what mode of preparation currently are you undertaking?
As of now, I'm doing an online test, and I'm going for coaching classes that are here outside VIT. So as of now online test and coaching classes outside VIT. So that's the only thing I'm doing as of now.
Right, I am Akhil Chirimar, and I'm a third year student in VIT University, BTech Mechanical.
Okay, Akhil, what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT University?
Yeah, provided I complete my BTech within 4 years, I would like to possibly take a job after that. Considering I'm mechanical, I really don't know if I'll get into a core company or not, because at the rate VIT, they're getting core companies for mechanical. But yeah, if I do get into a core company, it's well and good. Otherwise, if I get into like a company like Accenture, TCS, whatever, I don't mind. I'll work for any company because I'm mechanical. I'll work for 2 years, get some cash, and then I'll plan to do an MBA. And while I'm doing the job, obviously, because there'll be another 1,000 people who are there with me, because it's a mass recruitment company mostly. So I won't have too much of a workload, so I plan to study at the same time. So I'll be studying and possibly clear my MBA exam and then go for further studies. If I can, I'll get the company to sponsor me and then possibly do my MBA abroad.
Okay, so you would be appearing a couple of exams 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line. So what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake for appearing these examinations?
I would like to obviously study from textbooks and online if possible, and obviously ask people who cleared exams in the past, attend lectures and seminars from people who are experts in MBA and really hold good degrees, and from IIMs if I could attend from any.
My name is Alexander Matthew, and I am doing my BTech 4th year in civil engineering.
Okay, Alex, now what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT?
As of now, I am placed. I got placed in L&T construction, so I'll be working. If I do, I'll have to work for 2 years. So after that, I'm planning to do my GRE and go abroad and study 2 MS.
Okay, now considering the fact that you would be appearing your GRE 2 years down the line, now what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake?
Since I have 2 years, I haven't really planned on that scale. But I personally think that I'll do self-study, and so self-study. So I'll refer some books, but self-study, I would prefer self-study.
I'm Mihir, and I'm doing my 4th year in VIT Bangalore, and I'm doing my BTech in civil engineering.
Okay, Mihir, now what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT?
See, my plan is to hopefully do my masters abroad, especially in USA, and I've already already taken all the necessary steps that I have to give my GRE and my TOEFL. So hoping everything goes well, I hope that 1 year down the line I'll be abroad doing my best.
Okay, so what was the preparation mode that you had while preparing for GRE exam?
See, well, I took a lot of online tests from well-known brands and like a series of tests and I prepared as much as I could for 2 months for both GRE and TOEFL and I guess that was enough. And you just put in all you can, practice regularly. That's
Myself Mandeep Yadav, I am third year chemical.
Okay, Mandeep, now what are your plans after completing your BTech from VIT?
Actually, I will go for the core company if I will get that more job in the placement. And if in case I will not get this placement, then I will write GATE exam.
GATE exam. Okay, so what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake for appearing?
I am not taking any coaching or training, something like that. I am just doing my self-assessment online by using that, and then I am writing some exams also of time.
My name is Tatisha Gupta. I'm from Meerut and right now I'm pursuing biotechnology from VIT University.
Okay, Tatiksha, what are your plans after completing your BTech from
Right
VIT?
now I am going for a job and I got into mass companies, that is Cognizant, and I think I'm going to go for a 1 year job experience. Then later on I might go for MBA in marketing.
Okay, so for any MBA entrance examination, what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake?
See, first I think I go for a career launcher or some of the organizations like that, and then later on after that I'll just self-study. Self-study is the best thing, I think.
I am Asta. I'm doing BTech Biotech here in VIT.
Okay, Asta, what are your future plans and what do you plan to do after you get done with your BTech?
I plan to get my GRE after.
Okay, so what mode of preparation do you plan to adopt for preparing for
I plan
GRE?
to join classes like Jamboree or Princeton Review. And I think they're important because they give you tips how to clear your exam in a better way.
I'm Yuvraj Tomar. I'm doing my BTech Mechanical from VIT University.
Okay, Yuvraj, what are your future plans?
My future plans are to prepare for UPSC examination.
Okay.
I'll be giving this examination in 2016.
Okay, so Yuvraj, what mode of preparation do you plan to undertake for appearing the UPSC exam?
I'm planning to take the coaching from this RSS second.
My name is Arun Hiran and I am in BTech third year IT in VIT University.
Okay, Arun, what are your plans after getting done with your BTech from VIT?
I'm planning to go for GMAT as well as CAT. So I'll be giving these exams and I would like to do MBA in some of the best universities.
Okay, fine. So Arun, what mode of preparation do you plan to adopt for preparing for GMAT and CAT?
Probably I'll be doing my own, like I'll be doing self-studies using some of the books as well as some online material for that.